My name is Yaxye Yeebaash. I am a poet, and today we're going to learn about my city Hargeisa, the home of peace, tradition, and art.
With about 1 million people, Hargeisa is one of the fastest growing cities in East Africa. It's the capital of Somaliland and a self-declared independent country located in the Horn of Africa. For the past 28 years, Hargeisa has been at peace. Yaxye first takes us to the city center where a MiG-17 warplane is displayed on the main square. It's a memorial to commemorate the city-wide bombings which took place in 1988 by the Somali government against its own citizens.
This monument is one of the defining landmarks of Hargeisa. It is the symbol of one of the most painful events to have ever occurred in the city and has resulted in a commitment by its people to forming a climate of peace ever since.
Today, there is a real sense of harmony and security among the people, and Hargeisa is rapidly becoming a regional haven for businesses. Money changers openly do business across the city, freely exchanging Somaliland shillings for dollars without the presence of armed guards. Hargeisa is also a hub for arts and culture. Yaxye and his friends are helping to revive cultural dancing in their city.
I'm here to meet a close friend of mine who I get together with at least once or twice a week. He's involved with cultural dancing, which is something that I personally love. And today is a rehearsal day, so why don't we go in and watch them?
Baraha is a traditional Somali dance, and Yaxye is in the mood to join in. With a little encouragement from the other dancers, he jumps right into the action and can even keep up. Hargeisa Cultural Center is one of Yaxye's favorite spots. It's a well-known hub for young creative artists and writers. It also hosts the annual Hargeisa International Book Fair, where Yaxye reads his latest poem to young audiences. A permanent exhibition displays artifacts from Somaliland's history. The in-house gallery offers talented young artists, many of whom are Yaxye's close friends, a place to express what being Somali means to them.
This drawing here is one of my favorites in the gallery. It has several meanings to me. In one way, it's a literal map of Africa. It also features a man and woman. I believe the man is supposedly reaping the bounty of the continent while the woman feels exploited. In the middle of the picture is a portrait of a lion, which to me signifies the spirit of Africa.
Just before he leaves, Yaxye bumps into a well-known playwright, Abdurrahman Atan, who challenges him to a game of shah. It's a cross between chess and checkers, and is usually played by elders. But many young people are relearning the art of playing shah and reviving this special part of Somali culture.